This is for me the bottom line of what is really the difference when we use one versus the other. Que is much more about an explanation. Like, for example, o que está a acontecer aqui? What's happening here? O que estudaste? What did you study? O que comiam no cinema? What were you eating in the cinema? This is, like I mentioned, an explanation is when we are asking what's happening, what someone does, what something means. So it does fall more in the category of definition or explanation. In comparison with the word qual, which is much more leaning towards identifying, and I say choosing one option among several possibilities.